Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can we convert a JPG image into a PDF file. So here I have a JPG image whose name is image.jpg and I want to create a PDF out of it. So what steps do we need to follow is discussed in this video. These are very simple steps, so let's just head to your Chrome browser or any browser that you like and just type in ilovepdf.com/jpg to PDF. In case you're not able to directly type on this link, you can simply Google ilovepdf.com convert JPG to PDF. So the name of the tool is ilovepdf.com. That is when you stumble across this page. So once you come here, you can just click on the red button to select the JPG images. So here is my JPG image. I can just click on open. Here I can just select its orientation, whether I want to keep it as a portrait or a landscape, what is the page size, and what is the margin that I want to give. Do I want to give small margins, do I want to give big margins, or do I don't want to give any margins? So let me just go with the small margins and then click on convert to PDF. Now once it is converted, I can just click on this download button to download my converted PDF. Now here I would be able to see the preview of my PDF. The whole image with some of the margins as I selected has been converted into a PDF file. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.